Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming device details and taking a fast backup. This protects your home layout and app data. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so you have control. Next, go to Settings Apps, find the iOS style launcher, and tap Disable or Force Stop. If Disable is not available, make sure you have a secondary launcher installed and set it as default. These steps remove immediate system control and prepare the phone for full uninstallation. Once you have a working default launcher, open Settings Apps, choose the iOS launcher, uninstall updates, then attempt uninstall. If the app was granted device admin or system privileges, revoke those first in security or device admin apps. If the uninstall is blocked because the launcher is pre-installed as a system app, connect via ADB and run pm uninstall user 0 package. Name to remove it for the current user. Make sure to confirm package names. A wrong command can affect other apps. You finish by rebooting the phone to apply changes and stabilize the launcher state. If you still see iOS-style icons or behaviors, go to Settings Apps and clear cache and data for the active launcher. Make sure the correct default is set. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to check for third-party conflicts, then uninstall suspect apps. One key troubleshooting tip: if ADB changes don't stick, verify you use the right package name and undo any accidental system removals before
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.